Welcome to Great Summary, digitally narrated by Andrew. This is a great summary production created for research, study, and discussion purposes. The last lecture is a book written by Randy Pausch, a professor at Carnegie Mellon University who was diagnosed with terminal pancreatic cancer. This book is based on his final lecture, titled Really Achieving Your Childhood Dreams, which he delivered to a packed audience at the university. The central theme of the book revolves around the idea of seizing every moment and making the most of the time we have. Pausch encourages readers to pursue their dreams relentlessly, never giving up or losing sight of what truly matters in life. He shares his personal experiences and life lessons to inspire others to live their lives to the fullest. One of the key takeaways from the last lecture is the importance of having a positive attitude despite facing adversities. Pausch acknowledges the gravity of his situation, but chooses not to let it define him. He believes that attitude is a choice, and even in the face of hardship, we can choose to remain positive and focus on what we can control. Another key lesson from the book is the significance of perseverance and determination. Pausch emphasizes the value of hard work and tenacity in achieving our goals and realizing our dreams. He shares several anecdotes from his own life, showcasing how he overcame obstacles and challenges through sheer determination and never giving up on his dreams. The last lecture also underscores the importance of fostering meaningful relationships and cherishing the people in our lives. Pausch highlights the role that his loved ones played in his journey and emphasizes the need to surround oneself with supportive and caring individuals. He encourages readers to appreciate those around them and to prioritize relationships over material possessions or achievements. Additionally, Pausch stresses the importance of embracing creativity and embracing one's true passions. He encourages readers to tap into their imagination and think beyond what is considered conventional. Pausch believes that by pursuing our passions, we can tap into our full potential and live a more fulfilling life. Throughout the book, Pausch shares practical advice and tips for achieving success and happiness. He advocates for setting clear goals, embracing failure as a learning opportunity, and continuously learning and adapting. Pausch believes that these qualities are essential for personal growth and ultimately lead to a more fulfilling and successful life. Ultimately, the last lecture serves as a reminder of the fragility of life and the importance of living each day with intention and purpose. Pausch's personal journey and insights are powerful reminders of the value of perseverance, positivity, and meaningful connections. His story is a testament to the human spirit and leaves readers with a renewed sense of motivation to make the most of the time they have. For more summary like this, hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you get notified when we post a new summary. Thanks for watching.